Hi, thanks again for joining me. I'm Dr. Jill Morris and this is Self-Realized Living. I've done some videos on death urge and on cleaning up the negativity, burning it up in your energy body. Some people know it as the 4D body. It's where we store our negative emotions and our traumas and things like that are in our energy field. That's why sometimes you can feel the energy of somebody and you say, wow, they have good energy or they have bad energy, and it's because you're actually picking up what's in their energy field. So the traditional ancient indigenous people understood how amazing fire is. And of course fireplaces have been removed from the homes. It's replaced with the propane, but it used to be everybody had fireplaces or some source of fire. So I bought this little tiki fire pit. It was very inexpensive. It's got this ash tray that you just clean the ashes out here. And they also sell a starter pack, since I'm not the greatest with starting fires. So what I do is I just put the starter pack in the bottom and I light the four corners after I put wood on top of it. So I put this directly in there, and then my wonderful husband has sectioned wood and chopped wood, and I just start placing these kind of like at a crisscross with each other and place these pieces of wood. So what I've been taught from Master Lama Rasaji is that if you spend 90 minutes or so around a fire pit every week, if you can do it, bring the family out and you really start to clean your energy field with the fire. And you'll find that at the end of that session you feel much more peaceful. And by cleaning our energy field, we also are then releasing traumas and negative thoughts and old belief systems that are not serving us. And it also clears the way for the 5D, which is where the divine and our connection with the divine. So getting next to a fire pit is very therapeutic, and it also helps rid yourself of the death urge as well. So that is how I do the fire pit at my house, and it also comes with this nice fire resistant mat underneath so that it doesn't scorch my patio, and it's pretty smokeless. It's got little vents in there that a little bit of smoke escapes sometimes, but it's not nearly like your traditional fire pit where the wind blows and the smoke goes in your face. So it really is quite a nice little device, and I believe I got this on Amazon, but I'll leave the links to this below, and also where I got the fire starter kit. And like I said, once you get the wood on top of your starter kit, you just light the four corners and it will burn nicely for you. So thanks again for joining me today, and happy fire pit time. Thank you.